Ladies and gentlemen, a 9-year-old bicycle repairer is doing a great job. This light is damaged or is broken or is defect. The harness or cable or wire just remove. The wire or cable or harness have a holder at the back of generator or power badge. You see it, eh? Just press it and then stick it inside and release it. Now it's not good. You need to press it with screwdriver and then you will stick it inside and then release it. The back side have a spring, automatic spring. Now you see, press it with screwdriver and then stick inside, release. Keep supporting us, follow us, subscribe our channel for the more video like this. The baby boy is doing wonders. May God bless anyone.